right, we're back in action, ladies and gentlemen. Bulletproof traders. I'm Roy Levine. Super excited today with our market overview and portfolio breakdown video for the day. I feel like we're in that crossroad, in that critical junction where the market is going to have that make or break scenario situation. I think we're looking at some serious resistance levels kicking in all across the board, basically. Like wherever I'm looking at, I see massive resistance key areas kicking into action. I think this last upside push, this last bull cycle, talking short term bull cycle, may reach an end. All right, we're going to talk about that. We have 4 active positions right now in the market, and we're going to go over all of these positions. We're going to break it down. I want to start with the Bitcoin, because here's what we did. We kind of got in a little bit prematurely, a little bit too early. You can see this, the first time we pulled the trigger was here. Price action made kind of an overextension. And I wasn't, it faked the breakout, basically, but I wasn't buying into it, right? So I managed to find a short-term CPM range. You see this purple one right here, representing the very short-term cycle. So I kept my stop-loss level at around 27 to 220, above the local resistance of 95,386, and I hope it's starting to turn around now. I hope we got out of it safely. But what I also did, I doubled down. So when price action came up here, you can see I doubled down, right? So 2 trades right now. One, the original one, we're aiming at 79,434.80. I'm going to show you that on a bigger picture. With the second one, the last one, I'm taking this very short term to 92,420, which is a local support. But let's take a look at the big picture, because the big picture is really interesting. I think price action has the capacity to drop below 93,610 and potentially even below 91,645. So if it drops below 91,645 by the end of the day, today, that's massive, right? That's massive bearish looking scenario where we're going to have a drop back to 79,434. If it's only going to drop below 93,610, then we're in a kind of a limbo situation. We're going to be very careful. We're going to have to be very careful. Okay. So we're going to probably get out of the very short-term last trade that we entered, and potentially think about getting out of the longer-term position, the longer-term trade, the original trade. So yeah, very critical moment for the market right now. I feel like if Bitcoin can sustain a breakout above 93,610, that's very bullish. All right, so we have short position over there. Short position on the Binance. Check this out. I'm taking this short term to 581.24. It's 581, right? Yeah. According to the very short-term CPM range, the purple one, check this out. It looked like it broke above 605, but it didn't really. I'm going to show you that on the weekly chart. Check this out. Spike in it. So I feel like it made it all the way up to 616. By the way, we took profit with that move to 616, right? Got out, and then it started to develop a lowercase CPM range with the short-term potential to drop, like I said, to 581. I think we're on our way there. We already pulled the trigger twice here. First time was a full lot. Second time, half a lot. 581, we're out. So this is very short-term Binance, okay? Looks like it's going the right direction right now. Yeah, we also have the SENA. SENA, very interesting here. Let me show you what's going on here. I don't buy that breakout that price action is trying to fake. I think it's faking it. Crossing over 133.21 so easily, hard for me to buy it. I feel like it's going to drop below by the end of the month, which is a few days away. If not, that's a very bullish sign. Very bullish. But for now I'm not buying it, right? And also, I also noticed there's a second CPM range starting to develop on the weekly chart, the blue one, hitting a resistance, pretty significant resistance, 155.75. I'm thinking a quick move to 120.29 is imminent. So we already dropped the first one. We see price actions hovering around break-even point for now. Once it gains more traction on the downside, we'll double up, triple up, and so forth. Again, chasing 120.28. Last but not least, Bitcoin Cash. Check this out. I mean, long term, right? Looking at the monthly chart, I see the upside potential. It's clear. But it needs to sustain a break above 378.19. That's critical. And then a move all the way up to 612 will follow, most probably. We're going to chase that move, you can bet. Nevertheless, I'm not sure the downside potential had been fully executed, if you know what I mean. I think there's more of that downside potential. I don't think that upside reversal is happening yet. It will. So, to reflect that feeling, right, and then analysis. Also, I'm looking at a smaller case range, a second CPM range. This is the blue one, more locally. And again, massive resistance coming in at 369. And you can see what happens. Price action's pulling back hard. And I do see one more lag back to 287. All right, so here we go. Pulling the trigger for the first time. We have one trade in. If price action will continue with this negative momentum, we'll start to double our position, double up. Once it crosses below 33116, that's a big testing ground. We're probably going to triple up. All right. So yeah, going to 287.9. There you go. 4 active positions right now. Cryptocurrency market. We're bearish on the market, as you can see. And we'll see how it goes. All right. Let me have a quick segue to a couple of things. First, bulletprooftraders.com, guys. Check this out. If you're not members yet, go ahead, check it out. This is where we put all the good stuff in real time. Right? This video is released slightly out of date. Still relevant, of course, but slightly out of date. If you want to get those videos in real time, check out bulletprooftraders.com, subscribe, and join us. This is our membership site, all about the CPM model, all about the cross price matrix, and the Precision, of course, which is our trading system, a trading system that I have developed over the last 15 years. I've been dedicating for this. You can also check our videos and our forecasts. All of our forecasts partnered up with FX leaders to produce top level forecasts for all of the crypto assets that we are interested in. All right. Also, check out Precision. Precision is our hedge fund. This is our crypto day trading hedge fund. You can check, check it out. Check our philosophy, our strategy, our performance. Right? Our performance is live on public domain for everyone to see. So if you want to, join this crypto day trading train, you want to hop on it, check out Precision. By the way, 30 days free subscription on bulletprooftraders.com. 30-day free subscription. You don't want to miss that out. So go ahead, go over to bulletprooftraders.com and get your free month so you can check everything from the inside and see if you like it. I also want to close out today's video with live performance report. Let's go over to our real live verified trading performance on MyFXBook. MyFXBook is industry standard. Don't accept anything less than a real live trading account that is verified by MyFXBook. That is the only way to go, right? Let's see where we are right now. 27th of April today. We're hovering above 50% return. And yeah, I'll go straight to the breakdown of the last months. Right, so this month, April, still running. We're getting close to the end of it. And we are at 3.57 right now. Return for the month, a little bit on the low side, but we still have a week. If everything goes well for us with these current positions we're in, we might be able to jump up this number, jack it up. I would be very satisfied with everything 5% and above. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed that video. We're gonna be on our way to the new week, right? Coming from starting tomorrow, so it's going to be super interesting to see how everything is going to unfold. I wish you a great trading day. We'll be back in the next video. Take care.